So I just came from the grocery store and I bought a dragon fruit. Trying this for the first time for myself. I'm gonna cut it open, see what it looks like, give it a taste. I watched another video about how to you know, cut it and eat it and stuff, and the person said it's quite expensive, and this thing is expensive in truth. I just picked up a few items in the store, and this is the most expensive item on my grocery list. I spent $39, basically $40, and this I bought 2 of them, and they weigh £2.29. Sorry, they weigh 3 pounds 29 ounces, and is $8.40 per pound, right? So I spent $27.64 for these 2 dragon fruits. That's a do experiment. Really, if it wasn't for this, I would have just put them back. Anywho, I'm gonna cut it open, and so you can see what it looks like if you haven't had this before. It cut quite easily. I cut it down the center. That's pretty, isn't it? Let me just cut it down another half of this. This is it here, and they said it's pretty easy to, oh yeah, look at that, look at that, pretty easy to peel off this skin. I've had this before, like in like if I bought a fruit bowl, just a few pieces, but I never bought a whole dragon fruit for myself. Look at that, look at how it looks. Let's give it a taste. Let's get a small little taste like this. Doesn't have much flavor in it, much taste. Has some seeds in there. It's interesting. There's another one that I saw where the inside is pink sort of thing, but I don't know if we have that here in my area. It's kind of nice. Something different. If you had this before, let me know in the comment section below. I think I'll cut the rest and save this for like my dessert for today, in serving my lunch. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.